Three Little Pigs and the Hungry Birds. There are 3 little pigs in a small house. They get older. The house is too small for the pigs and their parents. Daddy Pig says,
"It's time for you to build a new house."
Mommy Pig cries, "Oh, take care of yourselves and watch out for the big, hungry birds." The first little pig walks onto a farm and finds some hay. He is lazy and loves to sleep. "I want to build my house with hay," says the pig. After building his house, he sleeps in his house. The second little pig walks into a playground and finds some wood. He likes to play with his girlfriend. "I want to build my house with wood," says the pig. After building, he has fun with his girlfriend. The third little pig walks by a factory. He finds some bricks. The third little pig is smart and works hard. "I want to build my house with bricks," says the pig. After building, he works in his house. The big, hungry birds see the first pig in the hay house. Little pig, can we come in?" ask the birds. The lazy pig says, "No way, you can't come in." "Then we'll blow your house down," the birds yell at the pig. They blow the hay house down. The first pig runs to his brother's house. The hungry birds see the second little pig in the wood house. Little pig, can we come in?" say the hungry birds. The playful pig says, "No way, you can't come in." "Then we'll blow your house down," the hungry birds yell at the pig. They blow the wood house down. The second pig runs to his brother's house. The hungry birds go to the third little pig in the brick house. Little pig, can we come in?" say the birds. The smart pig says, "No way, you can't come in." "Then we'll blow your house down," the birds yell at the pig. They try to blow the house of brick down. But the brick house is strong and safe. The birds can't blow it down and run away from the brick house. After that, the 3 little pigs live happily in the brick house.